If you don't ask, you don't get. If you're not networking, you're not working. Hi, I'm Vince Soriero, Business Development Manager at Propertyshark.com. Propertyshark is a real estate data website. You go on to Propertyshark, it's subscription-based, and you type property addresses into the search box. It will pull up all the data regarding that property. And Propertyshark can definitely help them when they're choosing a property. Our data is very influential in the sense of learning what a building class is, the legal building class of a property, finding out who that owner is, how to make contact with that owner. It's New York City and it's on a national presence as well. So we will provide you data all over the country.